today I exit with loss in my PLN as I shared in WhatsApp group. So what mistake I did, let me tell you friends. So I traded in Maruti, SBI Bank, then Bank Nifty. So Maruti and SBI Bank has given me good profits, but Bank Nifty, because of fluctuations, what mistakes I made, that let me tell you friends. See, this is the point where I saw the support. This is the point where I saw the support. See, first this is the main support, this is second support, then this is the third support, and I entered over here. At this point I entered over here, and afterwards I was in profits with the stop loss of around this level, with a stop loss of this level. Since because of fluctuations today my analysis got wrong, then I have exited here. At this point I have exited. Then what I did is, since the market is on bearish side, I analyzed the market, and once a opportunity was come to me, I thought of being short it. So around at this point I shorted. Then my stop loss was same this point. My stop loss was this point. Again, if you see, my stop loss has got it again over this level only, and it has formed bullish engulfing here. These two candles, this red and this green candle, it is a bullish engulf candle. So, and my stop loss hit over here, and I exited with loss. I obey the market levels, but still I exited with loss. So the lesson what I learned is, don't do multiple trading. If one time you are getting with loss, you stop it. If one time you are getting with profits, you exit it. So this is what has happened to me. And since August month, futures has started, and Bank Nifty almost it has reached this level, in the sense, wait a minute.
SBI is there, backside neither.
So it has almost reached like 20. Yesterday it has reached the lowest low levels, then it has taken support also. So more than that to fall, no news is there. So once market will fall some percentage, it has to obey the levels. So in order to obey that levels, today market was in range bound. If you see, today market was there in range bound, this level to this level to this level. So Monday either it will break up or break down. What I am thinking is, it will break up towards upper side. So this is my view for the Monday. And what was the mistake I have shown here. Thank you friends, thank you.